Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate laptop protection on Citi card benefits step by step clearly. To activate laptop protection on your Citi card benefits, begin by gathering your necessary information. Have your Citi credit card details handy? Ensure you have the laptop's purchase receipt accessible. Visit the official Citi website on your browser. Log into your Citi account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Benefits section. Look for Card Benefits or a similar option related to your card. Click on the Laptop Protection feature. Read through the eligibility criteria and terms provided. Confirm that your laptop purchase qualifies for protection under your Citi card benefits. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. You may be required to provide details about your laptop, including the brand, model, and purchase date. Upload a copy of your purchase receipt when prompted. Review the information carefully before submitting. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation of your activation. Keep this confirmation for your records. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact Citi customer service for assistance. After activation, ensure you understand how to file a claim if necessary. Remember to maintain copies of all relevant documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.